The way in racing, missing the kick by a couple of lengths there was Dance in China. And as the field settles down now, it is on the inside. Almarada takes it up by about a half a length. Good on the outside is the Grey Smoky Baba. Tracking them on the outside is Secret Gloss. Dance in China has improved quickly to be fourth. And a couple of lengths behind, bringing up the rear is Sri Mohini. Almarada now in a start to finish mission by about a length to the good of Smoky Baba. Improving all the time on the outside. In the red jacket is Dance in China. Then there's Sri Mohini. And a close last is Secret Gloss. They come past the 800-meter marker now, and only about 2.5 to 3 lengths separate the 5 runners. Almarada, half a length of Dance in China. On the inside is the Grey Smoky Baba. Between horses is Secret Gloss and Sri Mohini as they come towards the 600-meter marker. They negotiate the 600-meter marker and start their swing into the straight. On the inside, Almarada. On the outside, Dance in China being scrubbed. Between horses is the Grey Smoky Baba and Secret Gloss, and you can forget about Sri Mohini, who suddenly lost pace. They straighten up for the final run, and Almarada comes clear by about 2 lengths. On the outside is Smoky Baba trying to come with a run. Then there's Secret Gloss and Dance in China. But Almarada is travelling well. He's about 2.5 lengths, 3 lengths go to Smoky Baba. It's all over. Almarada is going away with the State Treasure handicap by about 3 lengths, 4 lengths to the good of the Grey Smoky Baba. Running into third was Secret Gloss. Then there was Dance in China. And bringing up the rear was Sri Mohini.